Epic rap battles of history. Conspiracy. The globe versus flat earth.
What's up, my G's? You know me from film and TV. I'm the earth you see. That's globe with a capital G. Ooh. You kidding me? Flat earth, that's a thing? Please, that's 1493. Okay. You're a pancake in space. Flying breakfast for the thinking debate. Come on. You forgot about astronomy. Oh yeah, the space race. I'm pretty sure NASA got a video of this place. Say cheese. I'm telling you facts, so please get out of my face.
Wait, you're calling me a joke in this race? You're a ball in a vacuum of space that somehow holds water to its face. That pancake in space is meant to be whack, created by control flat earth hacks. You're a TV show, that's a rap, a cross between the Brady Bunch and a David Blaine mishap. Stop flying about the galaxy, we're bringing the truth back. NASA robs us with GoPro footage of a flat map.
Oh man, you just tried to punk a GoPro? Pretty ballsy when I own the high altitude show. And when it comes to showing a curve, I'm really quite known. I even got super slow-mo. You think questioning me will get this cover blown? You're just a grainy telephoto. Shaky ass Nikon glass, can't touch this wide portfolio. I'm lightweight and I can work solo.
Call me a skeptic, you just got slayed with one click. P900 zooming in, infrared, that's sick. Recent upgrade, yeah, I'm killing it. Brand new lens, all black, they're filling it. My 125X grateful, zooming in. GoPro, please step back, are you listening? Tight on boats, and the moon through the haze. This is science on display. Who took those pictures? Why did it look so sad? Let me snap you, I'll even use my flash. Snap.
¿Qué hay de mí? Soy un telescopio anticuado, puedo ver a lo lejos y sé si un bote va por la curva o no. Sí.
Right. Sorry about that.
Shut it, guys! Let me try talk over your size. I'm Bill Nye, highly qualified science guy. Get hypnotized by my bow tie as I help mankind in this science try. And I'll teach your kids, and I'll mold the young wits. That's what we calculated when we calculated this. So, you want some curvature pics? Then sit, 'cause class has begun, you nitwits. NASA already gave you fits, proving the curve in one of their skits. Seriously, it's complicated. They can't get far enough back to take a decent picture. They have to stitch it together in Photoshop. It is photoshopped.
But it has to be. Oh, Bill, don't bring up the #1 meme. Leave it to the sciencey brother, Neil deGrasse to the Tyson G. Can't find my intellectual equal? That's a common problem for people. But I'm original, not like a sequel. Smooth chocolate, flowing over astrophysical features. I gave Joe Rogan his sellout procedures. Indoctrinated him like a demonic preacher. That's my gig, bro. 'Cause I'm a one-man mic drop and grab ass show. And your flat earth man had me in stitches. Who's too big for his britches? A singing cowboy mascot who don't even know that he's British. Yeah, that's D to the E-licious.
Did someone just throw insults at the flat earth man? I'm the guy that exposes your theoretical scams. People, sick and tired of your cosmo animations. You're talking out your neck, you got too much imagination. I'm a truth-telling musical machine. NASA ain't the only one that can use a green screen. I got musical skills that will entertain and educate. And all you are is blah, 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 indoctrinate. My truth-telling songs are specifically designed to expose the NASA lies and open some minds. NASA is a joke, man, they belong in the trash. Stealing 50 million a day of our cash. We all sick and tired of your transparent lies. We all sick and tired of your CGI. We all sick and tired of your so-called pictures. You never give us real photos, ain't that suspicious? Well, that's suspicious, don't you think?
Knock, knock. Hello, kids. Science here. I'm your friend. If a flatty question globe is real, cause it looks so fake. Fake science.
Just when I think you guys couldn't be any dumber, you go and rap like that. And totally redeem yourselves.
Brian Cox, you rookie! I can demonstrate the universe using Star Wars cookies. No reason to fear this three-headed agenda. We speak with sugar, but we're toxic like splendor. Don't look behind the flat earth curtain. Nothing to see here. No cultures believed in flat earth. For that, I'm certain, seeing faraway things. It's refraction from behind the curve. That's what's happening. Their cause is hurting, yet black tards are taking action and talking, but more like a fad that's passing.
Yeah, right. There's no curfew, thought you knew what I'm the brochure. I specialize in hand-to-hand. Paper cuts deep, I'm in demand. Cartoon Earth is not valid, I ask the question in my reflection. You choose search, all controlled by the power structure that we all know. Can't stop this 5-cent paper from spreading the truth. Don't believe the hype and the global lies they're pushing at you. Read up, get a flat taste. I'm invading your space. Switch to panorama, just got flashback right across your face.
NASA bucks, still looking green. My accolades, pretty obscene. Since 58, I've been on the scene. Got cosmic bling, London thing. You were printed at Kinko's, like, last week.
That's it, I'm done with this. Spirits hear these words I'm wishing, raise his corpse from his earthly prison. I summon thee, forgive my old English, I'm a bit rusty. Try bees, throw beans, my knees, Conti! Yeah.
Charles Darwin at your service. You know from the past, my theories were iconoclast, then made an icon at last. My concepts changed the world, you see. I'm ahead of my class. I'm the origin of the species. How dare you step in my path? Secondary title didn't go over. Oh well, things digress. Don't forget the things I said. I'm dead, but now I'm stressed. That was the point of me picking the fittest, and now I hope you go next. Worship my endless lies. I'll haunt you till the end of time. You came from a monkey!
I'd go to the moon in a nanosecond. The problem is we don't have the technology to do that anymore. We used to, but we destroyed that technology.
Die, NASA tech, die. Yeah, yeah. Die, NASA tech, die. Yeah, yeah. NASA kill you like that.
Destroyed that technology.
That's suspicious, don't you think? Huh? Everybody say! Stand up!
Ignition sequence start. 3, 2, 1.
NASA! We lost our technology to go back to the moon, see? We did a techno reset and are uneasy. Now we have a better tease. Consider Mars, please. Please! NASA! Yeah, our astronauts are just actors on strings. From CGI props to green screen. Bubbles in space, pretty routine. We show you, yet most do not see. That's the law we heed. Cause if we own your soul, then we own your belief. Cause if we own your soul, then we own your belief. Cause if we own your soul, then we own your belief.
There is no escape. Don't make me troll you. Join us, and I will complete your training.
I'll never join you!
If you only knew the power of the globe. You were never told what happened to your father.
You killed him!
No, I am your father. such a feelings, you know it to be true.
Everybody say, stand up against scientism. Stand up, it's a mind prison. Stand up, we ain't gonna listen.